Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Walletconnect with Metamask. For that, launch your Metamask mobile application first, then tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to use the search bar, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Shiba Swap. Now once you search for Shiba Swap, you just have to wait until you see the responses, and once you do, you just have to simply tap on the Shiba Swap link so that you could come to the Shiba Swap's official website. Now we are basically going to use Shiba Swap in order to use the Walletconnect with Metamask. So once you are on Shiba Swap, you need to tap on the Connect Wallet button that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen. So after tapping on it, you will be able to see all of the exchanges, meaning all of the wallets that you can connect with Shiba Swap. In them, you just have to simply search for Walletconnect. Now once you are able to find the Walletconnect option over here, you just have to select Metamask. So this way you will be able to use Walletconnect with Metamask. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.